Hello and welcome to HUGO'S How to Make the Perfect Pornstar Martini. For the ingredients you will need: vanilla vodka, Pessoa, which is a passion fruit liqueur, Monin passion fruit syrup, our secret ingredients caramel Monin, Rubicon passion fruit, and a drop of pineapple juice. For garnish you will need half a passion fruit, and other equipment that you will need is a shaker. We use a Boston shaker here at HUGO'S, a cocktail strainer and a fine strainer. Also you can use a tea strainer. You will pour your drink into a cocktail glass or into a coupe glass. Start by taking your cocktail shaker. You're going to pour in your vanilla vodka, which is 25 ml. You then need to put in your Pessoa, which is your passion fruit liqueur, a single shot of that. You then need to put in your Monin passion fruit syrup, your caramel Monin syrup, your Rubicon passion fruit juice, and a dash of pineapple juice. This will help you get your frothy head on top of your cocktail. You then need to add ice into your shaker. Now the Pornstar Martini is a hard shaking cocktail, so you need to be shaking it for about 20 seconds as hard as you can. You'll know when it's ready when the ice changed from a tinging noise to a more of a sloshing noise. You're going to put your cocktail strainer onto your metal tin. You're going to use your fine strainer or tea strainer, and you're going to double strain into your cocktail glass. Make sure you leave enough room to put your garnish on top. And there you have your perfect Pornstar Martini. Now we also have included for you some Prosecco to have as a shot on the side. You can either drink this beforehand, during or after your cocktail. Thank you and enjoy.